respect the aspirations of the nationalities in Pakistan, rather to occupy them and to serve just one province interest in Pakistan. So today, why we are here to express our concerns what has been going on in Pakistan with the reference of human rights abuses, with the reference of extremism and terrorism which is being promoted by the Pakistan military establishment and ISI, which has created a proxy militancy and proxy army to fight against the Afghanistan, fight against India, to create political instability in the region. And as long as this extremist and terrorist network and the groups are getting support from the government, there is no country that can win in Afghanistan, that can create, establish a peace in Afghanistan or within Pakistan or within the region. And we, from this stage, with this gathering, we believe that this is the time that international community, the UN, the Western governments, the US government particularly, should take notice of the activities of the ISI and the military establishment, which is using them as a foreign policy tool to stay in the power, to occupy the power, to suppress the nationalities, to suppress the rights of the people in Pakistan, to create the political instability in the region. So as long as they are not convinced that this is the force that need to be targeted, that need to be weakened, that need to be defeated before defeating the terrorism or extremism in the region, no country can win that situation. I won't take long because we have other guests here. So I will start with Mr. Nadir Hussain, a leader. Okay, Colonel Wajad, the chairman of Thinker Forums of Gilgit-Baltistan. Mr. and former chairman, All Parties National Alliance.
सबसे पहले मैं first of all I must say thanks to Shaukat Ali Kashmiri, Chairman UKPNP, for arranging this demonstration. Especially today in this demonstration we have got brothers and friends and nationalist forces from Balochistan, from NW Pakhtunkhwa, Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan and Sindh. And let me explain a little bit about my own area, Gilgit-Baltistan. Unfortunately, we were the people, you know, who they had their own independent state in 1947 and 48, 1st November 1947, and after that, Pakistani rulers sent our Naib Tahsildar, Sardar Alam Khan, as king, sort of political agent or king of that area. Since then, unfortunately, we are not allowed at all any political, any sort of economical rights. And you will be surprised to know that we got independent gift by Pakistani ruler FCR, Frontier Criminal Rule, the Plague Rule. But later on, they also what they did, they finished state subject rule. And after finishing state subject rule, our demography is also changing. And we strongly protest that why they have finished, they should restore our state subject rule immediately. And of course, we are neither this side or that side. We are very much part of Kashmir dispute, and we were third province of former J&K. And according to UNCIP, there was supposed to be local authority government in Muzaffarabad, in Srinagar, and in Gilgit. We can see a little bit political rights or political government functioning in Srinagar and Muzaffarabad. But in Gilgit, there is no political rights, there is no local authority government. And after this,